Y'all already know what's gonna happen. What's happening in this video by the title, you guys. What's up? It's your girl Chia. But if y'all want a part 2 to my boyfriend being possessed by the Ouija board or some stuff, y'all go ahead and give this video 5 likes. So today we're gonna be talking about clowns. No, not that clown. This clown. We're talking about Stromedy here. Good old Stromedy, the one that likes to run from the clowns. Everywhere he goes, apparently there's a fucking clown everywhere. Oh, you're driving your car, there's a clown. There's a clown driving a bus. Oh, there's a fucking clown in the airplane. In the clouds. Oh my God, there's a clown in the house. I hope there ain't no clowns here. It's gonna get me pretty scared. Okay. You guys, but for real, he needs to be stopped. He needs to be stopped immediately. Shut down. Everything is ridiculous. Come on, y'all. I mean, I know I do 3 a.m. challenges. I'll let y'all know. Of course, my 3 a.m. challenges are just for entertainment purposes only. It's not real. None of this stuff is real. Candyman, of course, did not come out of the mirror and slice my throat. Okay, you guys? You guys know that. You're not dumb, okay? Let's use our common sense. Okay, like seriously, he literally told you guys, like, look at this clip real quick. This is from his live.
Basically, guys, I'm about to get picked in the YouTubers versus TikTokers boxing event to fight Taylor Holder. If you guys want to see me fight Taylor on live TV, you have to vote for me.
First of all, you're gonna get your ass beat on live TV because your little scrawny ass can't fight. Like, seriously. Y'all, this is ridiculous. He's like literally lied to all his fans, telling his fans to text that number, put Stromedy, that he's gonna fight Taylor Holder live. Man, come on. And then he wanna talk about y'all being all loyal and stuff. Y'all clicked on his live video like within seconds. Y'all was just clicking and everything. But where's the loyalty in that? That dude ain't loyal to y'all. Why are y'all being loyal to him? Y'all clowns. See, y'all his clown. That's his videos. Y'all his clown. Stop being his clown, you guys.
Yo, this is all the most loyal Stromedy squatters right here. Hey! This is the loyal Stromedy squatters. Guys, we got the whole Prime Capital team here.
Look at him begging. Look at this.
We need all of you guys. We need the Stromedy squad to unite. We need all of you guys to go to this number, 310-388-6763, and text Stromedy to this number to vote for me.
Simple. Look at this clown.
Guys, let me know. Are you guys team YouTube or are you team TikTok?
Obviously team YouTube.
You gotta be team YouTube if you're in the Stromedy squad.
Like, what? And after that, even this little kid right here, this little cute little kid went live on his YouTube channel just to get Stromedy some more, texts from that, whatever. Y'all know what the fuck I'm talking about, but look at this little kid. And he didn't even shout him out. Come on, man. Look at that.
I will be making a live stream, and I hope you guys, I will see you guys there. I will be talking about some stuff about Stromedy. I'm going to write down some stuff about it, and I want you guys to do this, okay? So, guys, I will be making a live stream about the YouTuber Kyle Godfrey. Kyle Godfrey, also known as Stromedy. His second channel is Kyle Godfrey, and his first main channel is Stromedy. So, guys, I'm just going to go subscribe to Stromedy. It's Justin Biggs.
Okay, yeah, so that kid, and then there's this other kid right here. I'm gonna show you.
Yo, Stromedy just posted a video. Vote for Team Stromedy. Stromedy's about to go down TikTok, fighting TikTok. So text Stromedy to 310-388-6763. Did y'all hear that? 310-388-6763. Do it now. So Stromedy will win. Do it.
Yeah, they're like, he had some loyal little kids, and I bet like their heart is broke because he ain't, not promote, but he ain't, gave them no shout outs or nothing. What's so hard about, putting in, hey, I'm gonna give a shout out to Jackson, or, such and such, or, come on, subscribe to his channel, you know what I mean? Come on. I'm gonna leave all these little kids links down in the description. If you guys could go ahead and show their channel some love, like, subscribe to their channel, that would be great, because these kids did not have to go online and help Stromedy out for that. I'm just saying. He's a clown. And then there's this other little kid too.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So Stromedy Squad, they're on live right now, but they said they need your help. So I will be putting their phone number on the screen, so that way y'all can text them. All y'all gotta do is text Stromedy, and y'all will be in.
You know what I mean? Come on.
Yeah.
You got fans out here doing live videos for you, because you online on your YouTube channel begging for people to text your name to this number so you can get beat up in a ring. Come on, guy. Come on. Here's the part where he says he's gonna be doing shout outs. Come on. Y'all watch this real quick.
Yo, guys, everyone comment done once you've texted Stromedy to this number right here and voted for me. You should get like a little response saying, hey, this is Social Gloves. Tell me that you've done it in the comments, and I'm gonna follow back like 100 of you on Instagram, and then I'm also gonna pick like 20 or 30 people to shout out on the Stromedy YouTube videos over the next week.
Come on.
Tell me to DM it to you on Instagram too.
Yeah, guys, make sure you DM me proof. You gotta DM me proof on Instagram. Like, show me a screenshot that you texted the number and that you got a response from Social Gloves. Once I see that proof, I'm gonna pick a bunch of you guys to follow back.
No, he's not. I bet you he ain't never followed not one person back. I bet you he ain't followed not one person back. Come on. And then the next day he posted, I don't know if this is, I forgot which video I got, but look, it's like he's going insane. Watch this, you guys.
Stromedy Squad, what the hell is going on, guys? Hope you guys are all having a fantastic freaking day. Welcome back to another insane video. Guys, I'm picking up the camera right now in Loos because we actually heard that there is a clown going around with a freaking hot dog stand, guys. It almost reminds me of the lemonade stand clown back in Toronto. You guys remember that?
Dude, I do remember that. I wasn't part of the video, but I remember you guys telling me about it.
Dude, it looks like they're running like a whole food service.
Bro, this is crazy. I've never seen something like this. Me neither, Winston. And the only way to find out if this is really happening is to go to the exact location in which we are right now, guys. We're in the car heading to it right now and see this for ourselves. Dude, you think somebody in a costume running after me?
Possibly. I wouldn't be surprised, bro. Buddy's the biggest clown of LA.
There's a lot of clowns running around LA, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if Taylor Holder or Bryce was responsible for any of it. Stromedy Squad, we've seen these clowns on ice cream trucks. We've seen them on fire trucks, ambulances, police cars, airplanes, in just about everything. But just when you think it's over, we're now hearing about them in hot dog stands? Dude, I would not trust buying a hot dog from a freaking clown.
Heck not, dude.
Y'all, I feel so bad for those kids that live in LA, because they're probably scared to shit, thinking that there's for real some clowns running around about to attack them. Like, come on, dude, you're scaring the shit out of these kids. Like, literally tell them that it's just for entertainment. You guys, if you guys are any Stromedy fans, y'all, them clowns ain't real. Them people in costumes, come on now. He just wants your views, because your views give him money. Y'all supporting somebody that didn't even support y'all. Come on. It's crazy. It's crazy. But there you go, little old me, little old YouTube channel. Just doing what I do. Don't even get supported, okay? But it's okay. It's okay. But yeah, come on. He needs to be stopped, you guys. He needs to be stopped. If you think he needs to be stopped, go ahead and give this video like 27,000 likes or something. Y'all, go ahead and subscribe to my channel too, because I got some more great content. And I'm planning on doing another 3 a.m. challenge. Of course, it's going to be fake. It's just for entertainment. But, you know, my boyfriend's possessed right now by the Ouija board, even though he just put his hand on it. But you know what I mean? Come on. Y'all like that video? I got, you know, 1,000 likes, or not 1,000 likes. I wish. But I did get 1,000 and something views on that one. Might be a small YouTube channel, but goddamn, I'm pretty good. Okay? Because if I wasn't, you wouldn't be subscribed to my channel. Alright, you guys, if you guys believe that this clown needs to be stopped, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And also, go ahead and subscribe to the channels that I put in the link, because those are those little kids that deserve your subscription. Okay? Alright. And I do hope them little kids can see this YouTube video to know that, you know, they matter, and, you know, somebody's out here shouting them out. You know, y'all did a good job. Thank you for Stromedy. Okay, you guys. Well, I'll see you guys possibly tomorrow. I do plan on doing a makeup video in the meantime. Alright. Oh, you guys, if you guys want me to try out Minecraft and get Fortnite going, go ahead and leave a comment. Or what games you guys would like me to play, because you know what? I do kind of like Resident Evil. I do. Alright, you guys. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Bye.